What's up guys, how was your week? This is Days in My Life, and in this video I am bringing you behind the scenes of a beauty brand video shoot that I collaborated on. You're gonna meet the model, see the beautiful nature at Ssezibwa Falls, and you will see what I've been up to creatively outside the streets of Kampala. It is very kind of you when you like this video and share it with your friends. I have a goal of doing this full time, so I cannot do it without you. So subscribe, hit the notification icon so you never miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys, and enjoy this one. Welcome back to another video. We're in the beautiful side of Ssezibwa Falls, and we're here to do this is Days in My Life. This is what I do on a day-to-day. It's a beautiful Monday, and we're here to do a photo shoot for the beautiful Miss Donna. She's a friend of mine, and it's a birthday in a few days, so we're here to do like a birthday kind of shoot with a photographer and me as well as a videographer, because it's what I do. So yeah, if I'm not filming videos like now for you guys, I'm filming videos for other people, you know, creating beautiful footage. On this particular shoot, I'll be creating some drone shots. I carried a drone with me, so I'll be creating some beautiful drone shots like you're already seeing right now. And I'll still be filming with this GoPro right here, filming behind the scenes kind of thing, and also Days in My Life for you guys, for YouTube. So if you're enjoying this, I want you to like the video, I want you to subscribe, I want you to share the videos, I want you to let me know, comment, interact with me, let me know what you want me to change, let me know what you like about the videos, let me know what you'd like me to visit. If there's some place around Uganda that you'd obviously want me to check out, I'll be happy to check it out. Around me right now there's beautiful trees, we're in beautiful nature, we're immersed in nature, and in the distance there's the sound of the falls, Ssezibwa Falls, which you guys will be seeing in a few minutes. Yeah, but right now, you can say hello to the beautiful lady right here. She can introduce herself, and she has some beautiful product.
My name is Sandra Blair, and I'm here to present to you Mwari Beauty. We have the Mwari shea butter, and we have the Mwari oil.
Yeah.
Also, we have the turmeric soap, but it's a Mwari product.
What's up guys, we're in the not so sunny side of Ssezibwa Falls doing a beautiful shoot. I don't want to make so much noise, but there's trees around me, there's beautiful nature around me. I can't wait to show you guys what we're up to. Enjoy this one guys. What's up everyone, I'm Michael and this is Days in My Life. Today we are in the beautiful side of Ssezibwa Falls, all the way in MUKONO.
Yeah.
And I'm here with Miss Donna. Yeah, so Miss Donna will be celebrating her birthday in a few days, and she decided to create a shoot or to do something like like a birthday shoot, right?
Yes.
Birthday vlog kind of thing.
Yeah.
And I'm collaborating on this project. But I wanted her to also introduce her product, you know, to you guys that do not know about it yet. Please.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. It's a beautiful day in Africa, of course. As usual, you can see the sun is sunning. We are doing great. And today we are here for Mwari Beauty. You know, we have so many brands here and there, but today we are here for Mwari Beauty. So Mwari Beauty is briefly a skincare brand. It's about shea butter, the uses of shea butter, the richness in shea butter. Shea butter is handmade here in Uganda, and we get it from northern Uganda. We make sure to deliver to you guys the best. So today, because we are approaching to my birthday, we decided to do a little bit of a vlog, right? Yeah, and we show you
For your brand, right?
Yes, and we show you more about Mwari Beauty.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
And we hope you're having a beautiful day too.
Yeah.
Mwah.
I'm happy to collaborate on this shoot as a videographer. I'll be also filming using the drone, so I'll have some drone shots like you've seen a few. And yeah, this is days in my life. On some days when I'm not filming videos for you guys, I'm filming videos for other people, like this brand right here. So I can't wait to share this shot with you. Enjoy. Any advice for any models watching you?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful day in Africa. We are not complaining, but it's not easy. This job is not so easy. When you see the nice pictures out there, just like, share, comment, positive things, okay? Because like right now, I mean, some kind of shit is kind of, you know, it's not easy, guys.
It's itching you, but
Yeah.
It's not easy making this money, guys. You know, so if there's any models that are watching me right now, that are watching this right now, this is what you have to go through, you know, for you to put your brand out there, for you to represent yourself. You know, I'm happy to support her brand. You know, I'm happy to support her 100% as she's pursuing her own brand. So it is what it is. Enjoy. As you guys can see from my background, we're off to a second spot where we'll be shooting Miss Donna here. And it's a beautiful backdrop. I don't know if you guys can enjoy it just like I enjoy it right now. So this is the Ssezibwa Falls, the famous Ssezibwa Falls. And we're trying to get a spot somewhere there. I'll show you. We're trying to get a spot somewhere right there. She'll sit right there while he shoots photos. And while I'll also be flying the drone, you know, above here, so I can capture her very well. I think this will come out so well. If you guys want to catch all this, make sure to go to her channel, and it will be right here in the description of this video. Go follow her, and yeah, spread some love. I think from the dedication that we see here, we can all understand that the amount of work that content creators put out their art, the amount of work that artists put out their good work is actually immense. She's been here in the water for a couple of hours. I can imagine she's cold already right now, but she's still putting in the work so she can get the shots. And shout outs to the cameraman as well for, you know, doing the most. I mean, he's been here the whole time trying to get the shots. But anyway, this is days in my life. This is what I do. I got some drone shots, some beautiful shots. I'll be very happy to share those with you guys. And if you want to see more of this content, be sure to check out her channel. Link in the description. Thank you guys.
Even us, if we were at their place, we paying that much. So From Shoots by Mari Beauty Products.